Okay, we got to the end of section 6 and we're now persisting our changes from our client to the database. A fairly short section, but just one to get us familiar with Axios and configure some of its defaults and take a look at interceptors and some of its features. And if we've just reviewed the learning goals, then sure, we've configured Axios. We've also taken a look at generic types and how we can use them to help us with type safety in our Axios agent.ts file. We also looked at Axios interceptors, which allow us to do something with the request on the way out, and in our example we looked at what to do with the response when it's coming back from our API. And all we're doing at the moment is just adding a fake delay, so it's a bit more realistic and it helps us develop our app with the mindset that it's not going to be as fast as it's going to be when we're running it locally. Also, we've now hooked up our requests to the API as well. So just one frequently asked question, why are we using Axios? Could we not just use fetch that comes with JavaScript nowadays? Well, we could do, yes, but it's a little bit too low level, and Axios comes with some pretty powerful features such as interceptors that really help us write less code to do common tasks, and later on you'll see more benefits of using interceptors as and when we need them. So we're going to stick with Axios because it offers the kind of features that we would get if we were using a full framework, such as Angular, which does come with a powerful HTTP client. React, being just a library, doesn't come with such a facility. So to get that kind of functionality, then we do need to add something like Axios to our application. So what we're going to take a look at next is centralizing our state. At the moment, our state is all in our components, and we're going to take a look at MobX as a centralized state management system.